Welcome to All Things of Life with the Walker family. We truly appreciate you guys tuning in again. And if you are a new stubby, welcome. Congratulations for stepping into our lives and getting to know us through food, through funny, through love, and through happiness. So I just hope that you all enjoyed your Thanksgiving. I know I truly did. I had a good time with my family. It was nice. It was beautiful. It made me thankful for so much more, this year. I wanted you guys to see a quick recipe of something I did with Thanksgiving leftovers. I turned my baked mac and cheese into some deep fried mac and cheese balls. You heard that right. Deep fried mac and cheese balls. Okay, all you need is baked mac and cheese. Okay, and some breadcrumbs. Okay, with a little flour. Wish you a little egg with some little milk. And you got it. It's good to go. What else could you ask for? You get leftovers that don't really taste like leftovers from Thanksgiving. Come on, man. What do you want? What do you want? What do you need? Nothing. That's all you need. A little ranch. Little ranch. But I hope you guys stay tuned. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Okay? I'll see you guys in a minute. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, let's get started. So, here I have a bowl of baked mac and cheese left over from Thanksgiving. I hope you threw your baked mac and cheese out by now. It's been a little while. Okay, you don't want to get sick from having it too long or whatever. But if for any reason or any occasion you have leftover baked mac and cheese, or if you just want to make it and let it get hard in the fridge overnight, and then the next day you decide you want to take it out and make deep fried mac and cheese balls, you can do that. So we have the baked mac and cheese here. I do not have a specific amount. I'm just testing this out. So the baked mac and cheese, you're going to need an ice cream scoop. If you do not have an ice cream scoop, you can use a spoon, or I'm just using it to try to portion out as much as I possibly can. And then you need a bowl with flour and breadcrumbs, and a bowl with a whisk egg with a little milk. Okay, I put about 2 cups of breadcrumbs and a cup or a quarter cup of flour. Whenever I fry something, I always have to do a mixture of breadcrumb and flour, or cornmeal and flour. So you can do that if you choose. If you choose to use cornmeal. So here you're just gonna basically watch me dip it. I form the ball with the ice cream scoop. If it is not forming, get a little milk. Maybe get it a little moist so that you can form it how you want. You put it in your egg, and then you're going to drain as much of that egg liquid off, and then put it into your breadcrumb mixture, your flour, and then we'll see when the magic happens. I'll be back, guys. I hope you stay tuned. So we are outside frying because you guys know I enjoy frying outside. I do not want it in my home. So what I'm doing is I just put a little oil in my deep fryer, and I'm frying these balls outside. Okay? Just until they're golden. You don't need to fry them long. It's already cooked. It looks delicious, and I'm sure it's going to taste even better. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so here we have our lovely food that we just pulled out the fryer. Look at that thing. Doesn't it look delicious? You just want to take a bite out of it. Let's check it out, guys. Let's check it out. I'm sure it's delicious. Let's see. Ooh. It was so good, guys. It really did taste amazing. Look at it. It's so freaking cheesy, and it's just ready to be eaten. So I'm gonna eat it. Okay, guys, I'm biting in this thing to taste delicious. Okay, it's good. It is so freaking good. You will not be disappointed. I guarantee you. If you're disappointed, you did something wrong. Figure out where you messed up at and fix it. Because if you love mac and cheese, you would not mess this up, okay? It's not hard, okay? You guys can do it, and if you have questions, you know what to do. You know where to find me. All right? Stay tuned until next time.